is Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is another very quick page that I made for my Mini Kit Monday for the month of June. This is the second page, and I'm using another photo of my niece and her girls as they were at the beach in the month of May. I love it. Their little wet heads against their mama. That is so sweet, and she's snuggling up next to them. All right, so the photo is going to be front and center just like it was last week. But this time I am using these little 2x2 plate pieces that I had got from the Click Kit last year. And they're Alexandra Rinke inspired, or they actually are Alexandra Rinke. I'm not really sure. So I'm also using some chipboard that I got from Freckle Fawn, as well as some pieces from the ephemera pack from Fancy Pants. I did pull in one flower from, I think it's the Whimsical collection. It's over there on the left. So what makes this page go together so quick, at least when I film it, is I go ahead and pick everything out that I want to use. And so basically, I'm just going to glue everything down. Now, I do end up adding some washi tape right below the photo. And it's that bright yellow. I got that from Freckle Fawn. I love it. I love the bright color of it. And I like it that it gives it a place for my photo to rest. And then, so basically all I do is I glue everything down that I have selected here. Now, I do use a lot of words on my pages. I have been doing it forever. I just can't imagine not having at least 10, 12, 15, 20 words. You know, I just love it. Some people, it bothers them. Some people, it bothers that you use the same word twice. I'm like, you know what? Go for it. You know, if you like the way it looks, you know, just let it be. So that yellow piece that I'm putting there, it's going to go over the word fresh, and it says hello summer. It's really hard to see. It is a chipboard piece from that Freckle Fawn package, as well as the sun. And then the little phrase that I just glued down says good times in 10 lines, and that was from the ephemera pack. And see those flowers? I think that's from the Whimsical. I think that was the collection. And then those inner tubes, there's the pink one and the blue one with the splash. I figured, you know, since they're wet, they're at the beach, I thought that worked perfect. Now this banner is just beautiful. I thought it went perfect right there. It gives it just a nice touch. Now I do add a lot of things to this page after I turn the camera off, and you'll just have to see in my close-ups. I pulled out that really old sticker sheet that I've had forever, and I used I used 3 words off of it, and I'm like, yay. So I'm only going to have the top and the bottom where you'll be able to see the red cardstock. I thought that was just the perfect match. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my old sequins again, just like I did last week. These are from Pretty Pink Posh. I have some red in 2 different sizes. I have the clear, and I glue them down where I had kind of dropped them. And I use the Distress Collage Medium from Tim Holtz. I use that all the time. So the little chipboard that I'm putting there on the left says Beach Life. And then there's going to be one on the right says Vacation Time. And let's see, this one is going to say Sunshine and Smiles. Now, I did forget to put a pink heart up there on the watermelon. I do find it, I do believe I was able to glue that down before I took my still shots. So you'll just have to look at the still shots closely so you can see all the changes that I made. Make sure you check out the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. I'm going to leave links to their channels below, as well as the Facebook group. Make sure you upload your photos. I'm the hostess this month, and I have a kit that I'm going to be giving away. So you've got to have your name entered. Make sure you put your pages where they belong All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.